Let's learn English with the teacher, Mr. Edward. Okay? The story. What is the story? A story is a short narrative created by one or more or such based on real weak self event. The plot up with it, which it carried out by a small group of creators and with a relatively simple plot. Question W. Hi, Mary. What is your favorite story? Answer. My favorite story is Little Riding Hood and the Big Bad Wolf. Second question, W. He loved Lucy. Where was Little Red Riding Hood go in where the wolf found her? Answer. She was giving to her grandmother's house. Grandmother's house. Grandmother's house. Okay. The news. What is the news? The news is a story and a current topic of public interest which seek to provide maximum information in the shortest time possible. Question W. Which country is most affected by the COVID-19? Answer. The country most affected is the USA. Second question W. We do who like to watch the news at home. Answer. In the living room. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.